Hi everyone, today we're going to be taking a look at the computers that we have here in the Graphic Design Lab, so let's get started. First thing we need to know is that our power button is on the back left side. We have a headphone jack, we've also got an HDMI jack, two USB-A's, a power cord, an Ethernet cord, and 4 USB-C's, so we got plenty of space here, even when we plug all of this stuff in. So let's get started with that. This is our HDMI cord. This is what gives you audio and video to the computer, from the computer to the monitor. Now we have our power cord, plugs in. This should never really be unplugged. There is no reason for that. So the next thing that we have is our Ethernet cable. This gives us direct access to the network. So instead of using Wi-Fi, you are hardwired in for your best internet speeds. This right here is our USB hub, and that allows you to plug in other USB devices. So the next thing that we are going to look at is the monitor. There's our HDMI cable, there is our power cable, and the last part that you need to know is that we have this power switch right here, and this is the physical on-off button. So if you are having trouble, the thing to do is to unplug these cables and then hit the switch, until this kind of reworks itself. Sometimes these monitors do take a little bit of time to load, but once they are loaded back up, the computer should run pretty smoothly. So the last thing that we have to worry about is our mice and our keyboard. So taking the mouse, if you check out the underside of this mouse, there is a switch. That switch should be turned to green. That means it's on and we can now connect to the computer. If that switch is not turned on, it will not connect. It will have no power. So if we cannot connect to the computer, we have to plug it in through the lightning cable. This will allow you to pair the mouse to the computer, and we will get a message that says your mouse is connected. The keyboard shouldn't be a problem, but it does work the same way. The last thing that we want to kind of look at here is the USB hubs that we do have. This is additional USB space. It allows you to, again, plug in other devices such as the scanner, which we have another video on if you're interested in using the scanners. That's pretty much it. So if you have any questions, let us know.